Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Vizrt Tuesday Tutorials. I am your host, Richard Evans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today, I'm going to continue with exploring the wonderful world of cloud video production with TriCaster Now, focusing specifically this time on the Auto Shutdown feature. Now, this feature is designed to make sure that you don't leave your TriCaster Now on accidentally and eat up all your credits. But let's say you're uploading like a ton of files overnight, or you're running a continuous stream of DDR playback, whatever scenario you want your system to stay on for a long time. So if you want to extend that time, this video will show you exactly the process of how to do that. So let me show you how it's done, son. All right. So here I am on my instance of TriCaster Now. So I'm currently logged into the system, and what we're going to take a look at today is the Auto Shutdown feature. Okay, so let me go ahead and minimize this because, and the nice DCV client where you will operate your TriCaster Now, the setting that we're looking for is actually on the TriCaster Now app itself. So let's go ahead and minimize that. All right, and you'll see here's my TriCaster Now application. I am currently online, and then you'll see down here at the bottom that this service is scheduled to run until this time. All right, and why is that? It's because Auto Shutdown is currently activated. So how do we extend that time? How do we turn it off? That's what we're going to cover today. So basically what you need to go look for is up over by your credits. You'll see that there are 3 dots, and if we click on that drop down, then we have the option for Auto Shutdown. And if we click on that, you'll see that we have a couple of different options here. Shut down after 3 hours, and then also shut down if we detect inactivity, aka if your mouse is moving around. So if you're uploading files, etc., but you're not currently at the machine, that will count as inactivity. But if you're in the middle of a production, etc., then it will say, that it is active and it won't shut down. Now you'll notice right now that these are currently grayed out, and that is because we are currently online. So the service. So let's go ahead and fix that. So to do that, we'll go back to the nice DCV client, and we'll follow the proper protocols here. We'll go to shutdown TriCaster Now. Cool, let it do its thing. All right, so now that is done. Okay, so now let's go ahead and minimize that, and we're still online right now, so let's go ahead and click off, go offline. Yep, we've already done that. Cool. And we'll just wait for this process to finish. All right, now my system is currently offline, so we can start messing around with the auto shutdown settings. So we'll go back up to these 3 dots, click on Auto Shutdown, and now you'll see that I have different options to turn these things off. All right, so I can turn shutdown if we detect inactivity off, turn all of these off, or even make this shutdown happen however long we want. 10 hours is the max, 1 hour being the shortest. So it's kind of up to you how you want to set these, but then they pretty much are good to go. That way you're not eating up your credits if you accidentally leave it on, but at the same time, if you want to upload a whole bunch of files, or if you're running a show just on autopilot, DDRs, whatever, a whole bunch of different scenarios that I can't even think of right now. But this is a way to have that set up, and of course, play around with it and have some fun. Woo! There you have it, another helpful step in producing shows in the cloud using TriCaster Now. Now, I'll be diving into the TriCaster Now even more in the future, so be sure to subscribe to the Vizrt YouTube channel at youtube.com/VizRTofficial. And you can find more information about TriCaster Now and other Vizrt products and services by contacting your local Vizrt partner or visit our website, vizrt.com. And you can also get professional training with Vizrt products by signing up for Viz University at vizrt.com/community/viz-university. And if you're posting your work using Vizrt products on social media, hey, make sure that you tag us using the hashtags Vizrt, TriCaster, or 3Play. We absolutely love seeing what you're working on. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon for another episode of Vizrt Tuesday Tutorials.